Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 29th of May, last trading day in the month, and we made it a bad one. It is what it is. But it's interesting. We've had a really good month, and I actually spelled actual wrong. No pun intended there, but I did it. Okay, so we ended up with 4 trades. We dropped 3 of them and ended up negative 4.25 points. Not too bad. We could have made it a whole lot worse. But that one trade was good enough to give us, down 4.25. So not the worst thing in the world, but definitely not the best. When we add it to the total this month, we still have a fairly good month. So what did we do today? We dropped our first trade. Our first trade was a long right over here. We were long down here, and we were out down here. So quick stop out there. Then we started watching price, and we got long here. We were able to take partial on it and then get stopped out on the remainder, which actually lost money. So I consider that a loss. And then we watched things. We got long again over here. Market did come up a little bit, not as much as we wanted, and then it rolled over, stopped us out. That was another stop out. And then we ended up shorting here, taking some profit. That was our one good trade of the day. And it was interesting, all of our stop outs were longs, and the winner was a short. So, it is what it is. I take responsibility for that because, I probably should have been shorting rather than trying to get long. But, it is what it is. Can't really take back anything, and you can't really complain about stuff either, because what's done is done. As a trader, it's really important that you do that. Rather than saying, "Oh man, look at this bad trade, I'm a bad person, I failed." Instead of looking at it like that, that's not how you look at it. That's a good way to blow up your account. That's a horrible mentality. Looking at it like, "Oh, this was bad. What could I have done to make it better? What should I have done? What could I have seen that would show me that this wasn't the right thing to do?" That's the best way to look at it. And in hindsight, it was totally my fault. We should have actually made money today. But we actually have had a very good month. So let's look at the numbers. Since today is the last last day of May, doing kind of bad here. Spelled actual wrong to start out, and now I don't know the difference between a day and a month. Guess it is what it is. One of those days. It is. So 47 trades we made this month in our E-mini trading room, which is this basically this video that we do. 42 and 5 we were, so 89.3% success rate. I always tell people we're between 60 and 80% on average. Sometimes we do better than that. 89.3 is really good. It's very, very good. Are we going to hit that 3 more times this year? I just have to laugh. Probably not. But that's very, very good. If I get above 70, I'm really happy. And that's really what we try to stay around. So we made 102.5 points this month during May. Very good. We made $5,125. If you're trading more, let's say you're trading 10 contracts, obviously you would make 10 times that. So that's what we did in the E-mini trading room. So let's go up to options. We made 10 trades this month. We spent $18.14. We made $20.96, and if you want to get technical, 407. I always get technical in the numbers because I mean it is what it is. You can't really round that much. You can round when you get to the percentages, or if you're looking at a point, let's say 102.63, we'll round down to 102.5. That's not what happened, but just in that case, that's what we would do. So we made $2.82 in options, which obviously, is multiplied by 100. And if you're trading more contracts, let's say 5, 10 contracts, obviously you're going to make more than $282. But if you're trading one contract, that's what you would have made, which was 15.57% on the money that we spent. So 15.57% on the $18.14 that we spent, that's what we made. It's a little less of a percentage gain than we would like, but it was good all in all. We actually did get hurt on a LinkedIn trade that we tried to do. It is what it is. Earnings came in, it did dip down, lost us a little bit of money, and that can tie into the percentage a little bit. But it is what it is. We made money. It's good. 282. That's a very good gain. And we'll just try to keep it going, keep the momentum going for the rest of the year. So in our future swing trade group, or FSTG as we call it, we made 8 trades, a total of 4,963. And this is assuming one contract per trade, or actually 2 contracts per trade, so 1 per side. For maximum, that's what we can do. Sugar, we traded only 1 contract. But we look at it as a max of 2 contracts, so 1 per each side. So if we're long crude oil, we would like to have 2 contracts so we can take 1 off and let 1 ride. That's how we like to trade. That's how I trade. So that's why I do it like I do it, because I do it exactly how I trade it. So anyway, crude oil, we made 3 trades, and we made a total of $3.91, which equates to $3,091 because it's $1,000 a point. Cocoa, 150 points. We made 1 trade and $1,500. We actually only traded 1 contract for that too, so it was pretty cool. Wheat, 12 points. We made 1 trade and $600. Live cattle, we made 1.1 points, 1 trade for $440. Sugar, 1 trade, lost 15 points, and actually that should have been 15 cents. And $168 was our loss on that. Soybeans, we lost 10 points, 1 trade for $500. And that gives us our total of $4,963 on the month. So very, very good. And we'll take it from there, try to see what we can do next month, and really go from there.